Meaning of infect.
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 Infect. The word infect means to contaminate or spread disease or harmful organisms from one person, animal, or object to another. When someone becomes infected, their immune system may respond by causing symptoms such as fever, cough, or fatigue. In some cases, an infected individual may have no symptoms at all. If left untreated, infections can lead to serious health complications or even death. Preventative measures such as hand washing, vaccinations, and practicing safe sex can help reduce the risk of infection and promote better overall health.